All right, everybody. This is Windows 8.1. I'm in the event viewer, and I found a little event here that I want to point out to everybody. This is Windows 8.1. So you have your multi-window here. Right-click on that, and go up and look at your event viewer. All right. If you don't have this, then you just go to the control panel on my computer. Right-click or event viewer that way. Actually, it's a management tool. Windows logs. Okay, we're in the system, so system's right there, and this is all the system files. What I did is I blew it up and scrolled down and found this error right here. Okay, it's a NTFS error. If I pull this over, okay, it's showing an NTFS error. So what I did is I cloned this from a hard drive that had bad sectors, and I isolated the bad sectors, and Windows sees it cloned as it had issues with the hard drive from the bad sectors. So it's saying, hey, to run check this spot fix. All right, does not mean that this hard drive is bad. So I'm going to open up the command prompt. I'm going to come down here. I want to show you something though. All right, CMD for command. Bring up the so-called DOS prompt and type in CHK DSK and / spot. If I tell it spot fix, all one word. I'll show you what happens here. Okay, access denied. You don't have sufficient privileges. You must invoke this utility running in Windows in elevated mode. What the heck is elevated mode, you're saying? Okay, so I'm going to show you what elevated mode, but I'm going to show this via camera because once I invoke the spot fix, I don't know what's going to happen. So I need to make sure my Microsoft Office, everything is closed because I just don't know what is going to happen when it goes through that. Might reboot or something like that. And then we're going to clear this log and see if it comes up again. So right now you can type in exit to get out of this, or just hit the X up there. And the way you get to this is we have to close this. Just remember the spot fix. Write it down someplace. We're going to go over to our Windows. All right, we're going to click the little arrow down on the bottom. And now, if you have an older version of Windows, you're going to click search up there. Windows 8, that is. So you come up here and you type in CMD, and there's your command prompt. You want to hit run as administrator. You're going to get this warning that comes up, say yes, and there's the DOS prompt. Alright, and it says administrator command prompt. That's the key thing right there. We're going to do check this CHK DSK / spot fix. Alright, and hit enter. Alright, so now it says cannot lock the current drive. It just says cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Let's see what's going on here. I do hear a lot of action happen. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked at the next time you restart? You know, I'm hoping it'll run this spot fix. Okay, if it does, so I'm going to say yes. All right, now you may come by the same thing, but the object here is that event will not show up in the event log. So I'm going to hit enter. All right, the volume, this volume will be checked at the next time you restart the computer. So I'm going to type in exit, or you can just click the X. We're going to go back into our event viewer. Okay, go back to the Windows logs. Okay, system. Alright, this is where we found that log. So I'm going to go here is right click and clear the log. And clear. We can save the log and clear. This is what you do as a network administrator in a shop someplace or in a business. But we're just going to clear it. And what it has here is that it was cleared on. This is just an event log saying it was cleared. All right. So when you're up here in like let's say security, all right, and if I clear this log, all right, and where you say clear, it'll come up successfully cleared and who actually cleared it, which is actually pretty good if you're wanting to know who cleared the lock, and then you can ask them, why did you clear it? What do you have to hide? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer. I'm not going to show you the complete check disk and all that. What we're going to do is come back into the system area and see if we still have that error. Just letting you know, this is what it looks like with the spot fix or check disk in Windows 8. So it looks nothing like Windows 7 or prior. So don't think something's wrong or anything like that. It would be nice if it actually produces an event log with the results of this, but we'll see what happens. It did take a while to finish that, but I'll tell you what, after the second reboot, I booted up the first time, and then I shut down, started up the second time, and it booted up and ready to use in 14 seconds. And look at this. Okay, there's no red, no yellow. I go down one. There is a warning right here. This is about a multi-touch device. Not worried about that because it's a touch screen. Go down again. I mean, there's nothing. And this is as of me booting up this morning. This is really great. Okay, so hopefully this helps you out if you're getting some kind of an error boot up on your Windows 8. So subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye now.